Hello. Now we all are using Google Meet for about a week now. Now one common problem that we are facing is that how to take the attendance of student or how to know how many students attended the class. This is a big problem because we need to keep a track of how many students attended. To solve this problem, in this video, I'd be showing a very simple technique for taking the attendance. Now let's see how does this happen. For this, we'll have to add a new extension in the Google Chrome. This process is very simple. You can learn this using this video. Let's see how do we do it. First of all, start a new tab. In this, search for a thing called Google Meet Attendance. Take the first result, Google Meet Attendance. You will see a page for Chrome Web Store starts. Fine. A page for Chrome Web Store has started. I have highlighted this, and this is the official logo or green colored tick for Google Meet attendance. We just need to simply click this button, add to Chrome. It will ask for some permissions. You can simply say add extension. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once this has been attached, you will be greeted with a message. You can see here Google Meet attendance has been added to Chrome. Further, on the address bar, the bar where you type in the address, you will see that the icon for this is also appearing. Okay, this proves that your Google Meet attendance extension has been added. Now, let's try and see how do we use it. To start the Google Meet, we have various options. I will be starting through Google Classroom. I log in into my Google Classroom and choose a particular class. Now here is the Google Meet icon. I can either simply click on this or go to classwork and click on the Meet icon. Now you see a new dialog box has appeared. This dialog box is telling me something about the new extension that we have added. Before we can use this extension, we have to configure it. To do the settings work, we simply click on the settings icon. This is on the bottom right corner. I simply click on this. It is asking me for few features. It is asking me for monitor attendance. I select this one, and the second option that I select is auto save the CSV file. Now what will these two features do? The first one will keep a track of the students arrival and exit time. Let's suppose if a student leaves a little early from the meeting, the first feature will keep a track at what time the student logged into the attendance and at what time the student left the meeting. The second file will make sure that at the end of the meeting, if we forgot to save the file, attendance file, it automatically saves it. Fine, the setting part is over. I can now simply join the meeting. Please do remember that the settings must be done before the meeting is joined. I join the meeting. It is saying that the meeting has started at 12:37. There are few more features. If you want, you can read them. I copy paste the meeting information and simply paste it in the class messenger. You can even send the meeting code through WhatsApp. This message would be delivered to everyone in the classroom. They can simply click on this and join the meeting. Now see, students have started joining in. Now I have total 3 people in my meeting. One myself and 2 students have joined. I can continue my meeting as I wish. You can even see that a complete class list of students who have joined is coming here. Now, to remove this particular dialog box, I can simply click on this stick arrow. If I want it again, I'll click again onto it and this will reappear. Now, when I'll end the meeting, you see, automatically file has been saved. This file contains the name of the students and the time at which they actually joined. So with this, we can keep a record of all the students who joined on a particular meeting. It is telling the date and even the time of start of the meeting. I hope this will help you in keeping a record of the students who joined a particular meeting. Thank you.